Almost every one of us has faced the hassle of devices shutting down due to low battery, and it becomes worse if you don't find a way to charge immediately. To help yourself out from such difficulties, carrying a power bank can be the perfect solution. They are so compact and lightweight that you can carry them with you wherever you go. Moreover, they come at a very affordable price. In this video, we will be showing you the best power bank with 20,000 mAh of capacity, which should be sufficient enough to carry out your needs. So without further ado, let's get started. RAVPower PD Pioneer is a lightweight, portable power bank that perfectly fits on your desk or slides in your bag and is a great energy solution for your devices. This power bank provides massive AC output of up to 80 watts to charge your devices and even laptops fully. Equipping a powerhouse of 20,000 mAh of charging capacity, it has a USB-A port at the top left corner that provides charging up to 18 watts depending on the standard of the device. With its portable charger, you can charge your iPhone 12 Pro more than 4 times, Galaxy S21 4.5 times, and give you one full charge to a 13-inch MacBook. Instead of any display, it has 5 LED lights on the side of the body, and you can determine the charging percentage through it by pressing the power button once. For charging the power bank, it comes with USB-C that supports 30-watt power delivery input to get charged within 3 hours. So considering the variety of options it features, it can be a perfect deal for your everyday charging solution. A versatile charger to provide emergency charging for your device. The Charmcast power bank is of great use as its compact size lets you carry it anywhere you go. Equipped with the power delivery and quick charge technology, this portable power bank charges devices or recharges itself with less time than all the other ordinary battery packs. You can get output of 18 watts of power delivery with its USB-C port. Compatible with a wide range of devices, the massive 20,000 mAh capacity can charge your iPhone 12 almost 4 times, S21 more than 3 times, and OnePlus 8 close to 3 times. It also consists of a built-in accurate LED-powered digital display screen, which will clearly show your battery power level so that you can easily know when to recharge your power bank. Considering the compact size and power delivery, Charmcast Power Bank can be an ideal travel companion to take it on the go for a flight, business trip, hiking, camping, and more. The PowerCore Essential 20,000 PD from Anker can ensure high-speed charging for your smartphones. This powerful charger supports power delivery and Qualcomm Quick Charge, which delivers a powerful output of up to 18 watts to charge your devices. With this massive 20,000 mAh capacity power cell, you can charge your devices multiple times wherever you are. Moreover, it also provides safe and optimized charging to low-power devices such as Bluetooth earphones and speakers. So you will be able to charge all your smart devices without any worries. PowerCore Essential comes with a multi-protect safety system that combines high-voltage protection, current regulation, temperature control, and more to keep you and your devices safe. The USB-C port also supports power delivery input, so you will be able to charge your PowerCore at high speed, and it takes 7 hours to get fully charged. So undoubtedly, PowerCore Essential can be an authentic power source to you in your everyday life. Meet this portable charger from Aukey, a power bank that not only powers your devices through wires, but also supports wireless charging to make it more convenient. It comes with Power Delivery 3.0 output and Quick Charge 3.0 output, and by combining, they deliver an optimized charge to your devices at up to 18 watt. For instance, you can fast charge your iPhone 12 within 30 minutes. Its wireless charging supports any Qi-compatible devices or earbuds at up to 10 watts, and you can also charge the devices with cables simultaneously. To make it more convenient, it comes with a stable stand of good quality to keep your phone and the power bank in one place. It also comes with a handy LCD display that clearly shows the exact remaining battery level anytime. So if you're looking to charge your device on the go, then this power bank from Aukey can be a very good choice. From laptops to cameras, drones, and smartphones, Omnicharge can keep all your devices charged up with full functionality. This high-powered power bank supports fast charging and delivers 100-watt AC and DC, 60-watt USB-C PD that is compatible with most of your smart devices with high charging efficiency. You can even charge your MacBook Pro or Surface Pro with its 100-watt AC output. It also supports wireless charging with Qi-compatible smartphones, and it delivers power up to 10 watt. There's an OLED screen available so that you can have better control of your charging devices and also get to know about the charging percentage of the power bank. With its pass-through compatibility, you can fuel the power bank as well as charge other devices through wireless charging or the ports. So this all-in-one Omnicharge portable charger can be the best choice to charge all your smart devices wherever you are. So that was our list of the best power banks with 20,000 mAh of capacity that you can use to charge your smartphones, laptops, or other compatible devices anytime, anywhere. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.